I think a strong application for Heinz really leverages a lot of the resources that we have outside of our initial information that exists on the website. Students that go that extra mile to leverage those resources and have real one-on-one conversations with folks who have had a stake in Heinz can really separate their essay and their statement, letting their inspiration for why they've chosen Heinz come from real people rather than just the text on the website.
All pieces of the application tell us something, but the essay is certainly where you can shape that narrative, where the student is able to articulate what they want to do and why they think that this is the best place for them to do it.
Our essay is split into 3 specific questions. What we're trying to get at is, who are you? What are you interested in? What do you see yourself doing in 5, 10, 15 years from now? And how can we help you get there?
Talk about the journey that you had finding Heinz, researching Heinz, and getting a deeper understanding of Heinz as a right fit for you.
We're looking to see that the student is going to be successful in the program, but also we are the right program for them, that we're going to help them achieve their goals.
Ooh, pitfalls.
Pittsburgh ends with an H.
AI is bad. Don't use it in this instance. Large language models are killing the admissions essay.
We're Carnegie Mellon, not another university.
The most common thing that we see from students are essays that were written for other schools.
Making sure that the information that you're sharing with us is the information you want us to see.
When you're choosing a recommender for a good letter of recommendation, you want to pick someone that actually knows you. We want to know that they've worked with you on a day-to-day basis, that they know how you work on a team, what you're like to collaborate with. Don't shortchange those deeper relationships that you have.
So if you did an internship on Capitol Hill, we'd much rather hear from your direct supervisor than the senator that you were working for.
Being able to look at each piece that you were submitting, your resume, your essays, your transcript, is there anything that I would like the admissions committee to know that they're not currently getting from these materials? And if that is the case, where can I put that in? In some cases, it's adding another bullet point to your resume. In some cases, it's weaving it into your essay.
I think the most common question is, what's the winning formula for an application? And there really isn't one. We truly look at everything in a holistic way.
I say put your best foot forward. Feel confident with your application.
We definitely want to be able to connect with you. We try to make ourselves accessible for students, whether that's virtually or in person.
My favorite thing about working in admissions, I get to meet people who want to make a difference in the world, people who want to impact business, impact society, impact the arts, cybersecurity, our healthcare systems. It's an incredible place to be here at Heinz College.
I think it's helping students figure out what's the right fit for them.
The one-on-one conversations that I get to have and understanding their goals, their background, their experiences, and what unique secret sauce they are going to bring to our community.
Being able to take a process that can be super intimidating and make it accessible for students, especially for those students who I know that we can help them do what they want to do and achieve their goals, is the most rewarding part of my job.